Hey there, what if I told you that a single jar of coconut oil could transform your life in ways you never imagined? From boosting your brain power to giving you glowing skin, this humble oil is packed with hidden superpowers. But here's the catch. Most people have no idea how to unlock these benefits. Curious to find out how you can start living your best life with coconut oil? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're diving into the top 10 surprising benefits of coconut oil that will absolutely blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But wait, before we dive in, make sure to check out our blog for even more in-depth information on how to incorporate coconut oil into your daily routine. The link is in the description below. All right, let's kick things off with benefit number 1. Boosts brain function. Coconut oil is like a brain booster in disguise. Did you know that it contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are quickly converted into energy by your liver? This energy can power up your brain, improving memory and cognitive function. Studies have even shown that coconut oil might help combat the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. So if you want to keep your mind sharp, try adding a spoonful of coconut oil to your morning coffee or smoothie. Your brain will thank you. Supports heart health. You might think that all fats are bad for your heart, but think again. Coconut oil can actually support heart health. The MCTs in coconut oil help raise HDL, which is the good cholesterol, while potentially lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol. This balance can reduce the risk of heart disease, making coconut oil a heart-friendly fat. Just remember, moderation is key. A little goes a long way. Aids in weight loss. Trying to shed a few pounds? Coconut oil might just be your new best friend. The MCTs in coconut oil not only boost your metabolism, but also help you feel fuller for longer. This can curb those pesky hunger cravings, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Plus, coconut oil is an excellent substitute for other cooking oils that are high in unhealthy fats. Enhances skin health. Who doesn't want flawless, radiant skin? Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can work wonders for your skin. Rich in antioxidants and with antibacterial properties, it helps soothe dry skin, reduce inflammation, and even fight acne. You can use it as a face moisturizer, body lotion, or even a gentle makeup remover. The result? Soft, glowing skin that feels as good as it looks. Promotes healthy hair. If your hair is looking a little lackluster, coconut oil might be the answer. It penetrates the hair shaft better than most other oils, providing deep conditioning and strengthening your hair from the inside out. Regular use can prevent breakage, reduce frizz, and even promote hair growth. For an easy at-home treatment, warm up some coconut oil, massage it into your scalp and hair, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. Boosts immune system. Did you know that coconut oil can give your immune system a serious boost? It's rich in lauric acid, which has powerful antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. This means it can help your body fight off infections, from the common cold to more serious conditions. Including coconut oil in your diet might just be the extra defense your immune system needs. Improves digestive health. Coconut oil is also a digestive superstar. The MCTs in coconut oil are easier to digest than other fats and can help improve gut health. They have anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the digestive tract and can aid in the absorption of essential nutrients. If you suffer from digestive issues, try incorporating coconut oil into your diet. Your gut will thank you. Supports oral health. Believe it or not, coconut oil can help keep your mouth healthy too. Oil pulling, an ancient practice, involves swishing coconut oil around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. This practice can help reduce harmful bacteria, freshen your breath, and even whiten your teeth. It's a natural and effective way to maintain oral hygiene without any harsh chemicals. Acts as a natural deodorant. Tired of deodorants loaded with chemicals? Coconut oil comes to the rescue as a natural alternative. Its antibacterial properties help fight the bacteria that cause body odor, while its moisturizing effects keep your skin smooth and soft. Simply apply a small amount under your arms, and you're good to go. For an added touch, mix it with baking soda and essential oils for a personalized scent. Helps manage type 2 diabetes. Managing type 2 diabetes can be challenging, but coconut oil might help. The MCTs in coconut oil can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. While it's not a cure, Adding coconut oil to your diet can be a supportive measure in managing this condition. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, especially if you have diabetes. Who knew that a single jar of coconut oil could offer so many life-changing benefits? Whether you're looking to boost your brain, improve your skin, or support your heart, this versatile oil has got you covered. So why not give it a try and experience the magic for yourself?